Okay, so literally like 5 seconds after that last video, she climbs straight down. Oops, no, there you go. You can just keep going. It's just a camera. It's just a camera. Yeah. See, I put Millet down there to try to lure them over. There you go. Sonic, are you curious? Are you curious? I am curious yellow. How about that? Although isn't that the title of an erotica? I don't know. All I know is they parodied it in the name of a issue of Superman in the 70s. Where Lois Lane turned herself black for some reason. I know it was about, you know, like studying the city and everything, but still. Hey, look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sonic. You know how to get through. The door's open. The door's open. Silly Billy. Yeah, you silly little Sonic baby. I gotta tell you though, even though she's named after the fast food place and not the hedgehog, Sonic is still extremely fast. Just like a sonic boom. Sonic kaboom! I was watching a series called High Score Girl on Netflix. It's really nice. It's about like arcade players in the early 90s. It's very much like my era. And yeah, they deal with a lot of real world games. So they play a lot of Street Fighter. And one of the characters kind of he imagines some of the characters being kind of like his guides through life, and one of them is Guile. Hey, you see that? Yeah, such gorgeous little babies. Yeah. There you go.